If you want to know how to create playlists on your YouTube channel, then this video is for you. Hello, I'm Sophie, Millionaire Mum, and I bring you the tools, the courses, and the mindset that you need to make a success online. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, please make sure you do so and hit that notification bell so you don't miss a video every time I publish one. I publish videos every week and I always make content that is going to help you have a success online. Now, in this video, I am going to show you how to create playlists on your YouTube channel. Now, many people miss that, right? They publish a ton of videos, but when you click on their channel, on their home page of their channel, there's just a little playlist that's called uploads, and it seems like they've hardly got any videos published on their channel, and it's such a shame, really. Playlists are really a way to show all the content that you have and also to organize it so that people can navigate properly through your channel. It's very, very easy to do. I'm going to show you exactly how. Let's go. Okay, so here's what you need to do. You obviously need to go to youtube.com. Now, on my channel, I've already created playlists. So I'm going to, for this video, I'm going to show you how it works on another one of my channels that I hardly do anything with at all, and I haven't created playlists in there. So you'll see how to do it from scratch. So you go to your channel and you click Customize Channel. This brings you to this page, Channel Customization. And here what you need to do is click Playlists. And as you see, I actually just created one, but you can have up to, well, you can have many playlists, but you can have up to 10 playlists displayed on your home page, okay? So here, there's all you need to do is you go here, new playlist, and then you create, I don't know, I'll put test playlist, right? You can then choose the visibility. So it can be a private playlist if it's only for you. But for the purposes of this, we want people to see the playlist. We want them to be public, okay? So you click public and then you just basically click here, create, okay? And then this playlist is not going to show on your channel until it has videos in it, okay? So if I now go to the home page of my channel, it won't show. It will still only have this one, okay? But as soon as you add videos that you publish to the new playlist, then you will see the playlist appear. I'm going to show you, so what it looks like on my channel, right, is like this. So as you can see on my home page here, when people come to my channel, they see the first playlist is all my latest uploads. So basically you can display up to 10 playlists on your home page, okay? Now I will add that the way you organize your playlists is by going back to this customized channel tab. You remember this one, right? You click here, then you land on here, and here, as you can see, you have the playlists, okay, what they call the featured sections. So for instance, if I wanted to move my YouTube tutorials playlist under my Facebook tutorials playlist, I would take it and put it here, and just, you see, you have this little hand and you just move. You can move them basically wherever you want, okay? And you can experiment a little bit with that. And that is basically how you do it, how you create playlists and then organize them. So that was easy, wasn't it? I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please give the video a like and subscribe to my channel. Now, if you have any questions about YouTube in general, another little thing about organizing your content or publishing your videos or anything like that, that you don't know how to do, make sure you check my YouTube tutorials playlist. You might find the answer there. And if you don't, just drop a comment below with your question and I'll get back to you. And if I need to, I will make a new video for you. In the meantime, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in another video. Bye for now.